मेरो कुरा सुन्नुस्, listen to me, listen to me. मेरो कुरा सुन्नुस्, listen to me. आफ्नो ओछ्यान मिलाऊ, make your bed, make your bed. आफ्नो ओछ्यान मिलाऊ, make your bed. आफ्नो मुख धो, wash your face, wash your face. आफ्नो मुख धो, wash your face. दाँत माझ, brush your teeth, brush your teeth. आफ्नो दाँत माझ, brush your teeth. नुहाउनुस्, take a bath, take a bath. नुहाउनुस्, take a bath or take a shower पनि हुन्छ है त. नुहाउनुस्, take a bath or take a shower. नुहाई धुवाई गर्नुस्, freshen up, freshen up. नुहाई धुवाई गर्नुस्, freshen up. यो छिटो गर्नुस्, do it soon, do it soon. यो छिटो गर्नुस्, do it soon. नास्ता तयार छ, breakfast is ready, breakfast is ready. नास्ता तयार छ, breakfast is ready. टाढै बस, stay away, stay away. टाढै बस, stay away. मबाट टाढा बस, stay away from me, stay away from me. मबाट टाढा बस, stay away from me. पहिले तपाईं, first you, first you. पहिले तपाईं, first you. पहिले तपाईं अनि म, first you then me, first you then me. पहिले तपाईं अनि म. तपाईं बिना, without you, without you. तपाईं बिना, without you. कुनै हालतमा हुँदैन, no way, no way. कुनै हालतमा हुँदैन, no way. त्यही त, that's what, that's what. त्यही त, that's what. मलाई सबै कुरा भन्नुस्, tell me everything, tell me everything. मलाई सबै कुरा भन्नुस्, tell me everything. मलाई कचकच नगर, don't nag me, don't nag me. मलाई कचकच नगर, don't nag me. मलाई नजिस्काऊ, don't tease me, don't tease me. मलाई नजिस्काऊ, don't tease me. यो माथि फाल्नुस्, throw it up, throw it up. यसलाई माथि फाल्नुस् या यो माथि फाल्नुस्, throw it up. यसलाई तल फाल्नुस्, throw it down, throw it down. यसलाई तल फाल्नुस्, throw it down. यसलाई पर लैजानुस्, take it away, take it away. यसलाई पर लैजानुस्, take it away. यो नभाच्नुस्, don't break it, don't break it. यो नभाच्नुस्, don't break it. यो भाँचिएको छ, it is broken, it is broken. यो भाँचिएको छ अथवा फुटेको छ, it is broken. बाटो बन्द नगर, don't block the way, don't block the way. बाटो बन्द नगर, don't block the way. आज पानी पर्न सक्छ, it may rain today, it may rain today. आज पानी पर्न सक्छ, it may rain today. मलाई अरु भन्नुस्, tell me more, tell me more. मलाई अरु भन्नुस्, tell me more. चिया पिउन आउनुस्, come over for tea, come over for tea. चिया पिउन आउनुस्, come over for tea. एउटा किताब पढ्नुस्, read a book, read a book. एउटा किताब पढ्नुस्, read a book. गनगन गर्न बन्द गर, stop whining, stop whining. गनगन गर्न बन्द गर, stop whining. यो हेर्नुहोस्, look at this, look at this. यो हेर्नुहोस्, look at this or watch this. यो हेर्नुहोस्. चुप लाग्नुस्, shut up, shut up. चुप लाग्नुस्, shut up. बाहिर निस्कनुस्, get out, get out. बाहिर निस्कनुस्, get out. रातिमा एक्लै नजानुस्, don't go alone at night, don't go alone at night. रातिमा एक्लै नजानुस्, don't go alone at night. अहिले नै रोक्नुस्, stop right now, stop right now. अहिले नै रोक्नुस्, stop right now. यसलाई नछुनुस्, don't touch it, don't touch it. यसलाई नछुनुस्, don't touch it. यो धेरै तातो छ, it is very hot, it is very hot. यो धेरै तातो छ, it is very hot. मलाई एक मौका दिनुस्. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. मलाई एक मौका दिनुस्. Give me a chance. सुरु गर्नुस्. Get started. Get started. सुरु गर्नुस्. Get started. अब तपाई बोल्दा हुन्छ. Now you may speak. Now you may speak. अब तपाई बोल्दा हुन्छ. Now you may speak. म बुझ्दछु. I understand. I understand. म बुझ्दछु. I understand. के तिमी बुझ्छौ? Do you understand? Do you understand? के तिमी बुझ्छौ? Do you understand? मैले बुझी. I understood. I understood. मैले बुझे. I understood. के तपाईले बुझ्नुभयो? Did you understand? Did you understand? के तपाईले बुझ्नुभयो? Did you understand? नलुक्नुस्. Don't hide. Don't hide. नलुक्नुस्. Don't hide. मबाट नलुक्नुस्. Don't hide from me. Don't hide from me. मबाट नलुक्नुस्. Don't hide from me.